I was nominated for a leadership fellowship. It's the Berrie Fellowship, started by Angelica Berrie, who was married to Russ Berrie of Russ Berrie Toys. And it was a 2-year program. It was a pluralistic program bringing Jews, Reform, Conservative, Orthodox, Russian Jews. There were 20 of us, nine women, 11 men. And we would meet once a month, and we would have speakers come, and there was a curriculum. And then in the middle of it, we went to Israel for a week, where we studied at the Shalom Hartman Institute in Jerusalem. And there we met with leaders from all different walks of Israeli life. So we met with IDF colonels and lieutenants, and we met with the Mayor Tzfat, and we met with rabbis who were trying to make a difference, Orthodox rabbis who were trying to fix the marriage issues that were going on there. And then we went to Beit Shemesh, and we met with a woman who was standing up to the Haredi, who were harassing young girls. And then we met with someone who led a protest. And then we went to a better place, which is where they were trying to bring electric cars to Israel. And so this wasn't a tour we were on the bus, off the bus, oh, look at that site, oh, look at that relic, oh, let's climb Masada. No, we were immersing ourselves in Israeli life and understanding what the issues were. And then we came back and spent another year together, and it was, again, one of those experiences that I'm eternally grateful for, that I would have never had I not had this Jewish background.